Living in a converted school bus was once seen as an unusual lifestyle choice, but today it has become a thriving trend among adventurers seeking freedom, independence, and the chance to explore the world without being tied down. Among these modern nomads are Paul and Shae, a young couple who transformed a 2006 international school bus into a beautiful and functional haven on wheels, perfectly tailored to their digital nomad lifestyle. Their journey began nearly a decade ago as a dream. They often imagined what it would be like to travel the country in a rolling home, experiencing new places beyond their computer screens. By March 2022, they finally turned that dream into reality by purchasing an old school bus for $6,000. Over the course of 3 years, working diligently on weekends, they invested about $25,000 into a DIY conversion that transformed the vehicle into a cozy home full of smart design and personal touches. From the outside, their bus immediately grabs attention. Wrapped in sleek white vinyl with colorful stripes of yellow, orange, and red stretching along its sides, and featuring their logo, Bus Life for Me, the vehicle radiates personality. Practical features like new tires, a bike rack, and a security camera ensure the bus is safe and road-ready. To expand their living space outdoors, the couple installed a 15-foot manual awning, perfect for relaxing at camp. On the passenger side, they built a massive 9 by 3-foot garage compartment to store snowboards, golf clubs, propane tanks, and even an extra diesel tank. Above it all, they created one of the most unique features, a 6 by 6-foot rooftop deck accessible via a telescopic ladder. This elevated terrace is their private retreat, ideal for stargazing or enjoying scenic views. The roof also houses four 450-watt solar panels, providing 1,620 watts of power to support their off-grid lifestyle. For reliable internet, they added a WeBoost cell signal booster. Step inside, and the 42-foot-long bus feels surprisingly spacious. The front is designed for work and relaxation, featuring dual office spaces with dedicated desks, storage, and swivel chairs. Between the desks is a small lounge with cushioned benches, a mushroom ottoman, and a folding table, doubling as a cozy dinette. Across from the lounge lies the kitchen, outfitted with custom cabinetry accented with rattan cane webbing, a floor-to-ceiling pantry, and modern appliances. A large wooden countertop provides ample prep space, while a skylight floods the area with natural light. The bathroom area is compact but efficient, with cement-style walls, mosaic tile accents, and an Ogo composting toilet that fits neatly inside the shower during travel. At the rear, the couple's serene bedroom features a queen-sized bed, side walkways, and plenty of storage underneath. Their two cats even have their own special nook on a custom-built windowsill bed. Ventilation is excellent thanks to side windows, a max air fan, and an AC unit. Stylistically, the home strikes a balance between rustic and modern. Bamboo planks on the ceiling and wooden countertops create warmth, while clean cabinetry lines and minimalist accents bring freshness. Patterned rugs, boho cushions, and thoughtful decor add personal charm. Keeping the original school bus windows and adding two skylights ensures the interior feels airy and open. Paul and Shae's bus conversion is more than just a home. It's a testament to chasing dreams and embracing freedom. Their DIY project, born from dedication and vision, proves that with creativity and hard work, anyone can transform an old vehicle into a unique sanctuary for life on the road.